Go to Joyland first. Don't bother to research. Just go to Joyland. My name is Robert Brock, and I'm a proud native of the city of Lancaster. This building was built in 1850 on top of an 18th century foundation. So we had the Lancaster Marionette Theater for 30 years and we rented. Then my landlord died and we bought the property. But he considered this his warehouse. So he blocked up all the windows on this floor, which actually worked fine for the theater.
My name is Brandon and I was his sales consultant. He was really wanting to bring more light into his back room. The homeowner before had blocked a few things up and he didn't like that, and he wanted to really take down some of the brick and stuff like that.
My bedroom was on the 3rd floor. I moved my bedroom down on these. This was the kitchen originally, but there's no, it was like living in a dungeon. It really was depressing. And this is my second Joyland project. I had a storm door put in.
We had done that first. He had an existing window that used to be really big. And then the guy blocked it all up who owned it before him and had a small window really high up. Before that, we needed to get a storm door in there or some form of extra light for him because he really, really wanted that extra light.
So they did a grand job on that. And then I wanted this was a little window. Like if you look down, you'll see other ones. Let's nothing in. It took some time to convince Brandon and that this could. So I like chopped off the plaster because I knew from the front that it could be done.
Yeah, the reason I felt a little apprehensive was not because I didn't think we couldn't do it. It's just something that we don't normally do. It's not in our wheelhouse. And it's something that we need more time to do. When he reached back out to us the second time through my manager, he'd already talked to him and my manager had given me the okay to do it because we were a little slower at that time. Take our time, make sure we get it right. So we wanted to make sure we had like our project managers get involved with it so that they could be more involved and do it right.
Javon and Javon are just the nicest young men. They explained what they were doing, and I had done a lot of prep work inside with covering because I have a lot of stuff, too much stuff. So I dropped cloths up, I blocked off the doors, and they came in and did a little more. Those guys were just nice. They were funny. I took their photos. We chatted. Brandon was great. Everyone was great.
It was a fun project overall. I really liked Robert because he was persistent, but he was also very kind and understanding with the timing of things and our ability. It really felt like a team effort on both sides for us to be able to go out there, do what we can do well, and then have him make sure that he's taking care of the things that we aren't experts in.
Go to Joyland first. Don't bother to research. Just go to Joyland. Family owned and operated. It's local. You'll never meet nicer people no matter who I had contact with. And I've always gotten a person quickly. There's always been a response.
One of the things we love about Joyland is we do things to an expert level, but we're also very niched in those expert levels. And when we get outside of those, we don't like to commit to something we can't do well.
I think whatever they do, they have pride in their work. And that's something that you don't find.